Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be preparing pasta. For this recipe I'm going to use boiled penne pasta, some veggies, mayonnaise, pasta sauce and chili flakes and some Italian seasoning. For the process I'm going to add 2 spoons of oil in a pan. And once the oil got heated, I'm going to add finely chopped garlic and I'm going to saute it for about 1 minute. And then I'm going to add finely chopped onions and I'm going to fry it for about 1 to 2 minutes. As you see, the onions are slightly colored, so now I'm adding chopped vegetables. So here I have taken capsicum and carrots. If you want, you can add a boiled corn also. So now I'm adding Italian seasoning and chili flakes and I'm going to fry it for about 1 minute. And now I'm going to add 1.5 spoon of mayonnaise. To get that saucy consistency, I'm going to add a little bit of water. So basically this is the easiest way of making penne pasta or any kind of pasta you can add in this. And now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of pizza sauce and I'm going to mix it well. So now I'm adding boiled penne pasta. While boiling the pasta, I have added little bit of salt and oil. And I'm going to mix it well.